Recently, a viewer had requested me to post a video explaining about warts, moles and skin tags. This video is for that. Hi friends, I am Dr. Karamat. This is Scientific Doctor channel. In this channel, your health related queries are answered via videos. If you want to see such videos, subscribe to this channel. Also press the bell icon adjacent to it to get instant notifications whenever new videos are released. This week's video is about these common skin problems like warts, moles and skin tags. Now usually all of us have at least one of this when you become an adult. So when you are born, you may not be born with one or either of these, but as you develop in younger childhood, you develop one among them. So almost all of us have at least one among these three. What are these due to? Let us see about skin tags first. These are soft, fleshy, that is skin colored. So they may be colored depending upon the area of skin from where it arises. Otherwise, these are soft, fleshy, skin colored, harmless, usually painless, without any problem. These are skin tags. They are present in the axilla, in the neck, beneath the breast, groin, wherever there is potential for friction between skin to skin as well as between skin and clothes. In fact, friction plays an important role in causation of these skin tags. As I already said, these are harmless. They are not going to cause any problems. How to get rid of them? You need not do anything about them. As I said, these are not cancers. These are not any skin problems. So you can leave as such. They may fall off by themselves. But if you want to get rid of them, it is better that they are removed by a dermatologist. How do they remove it? They can remove by electrocautery, cryocautery, that is by freezing or by excision. So there are home remedies which are being employed, like tying these skin tags with threads, with dental floss, with hair, which is prevalent in India. They cut off the blood supply, so in few days time they wither off and they fall. Sometimes this may leave a mark. Sometimes this might be painful. This might cause bleeding. So it is better to be dealt by a dermatologist rather than by home remedies to trying to get rid of them. If they are not causing problem, you can just leave as such. These skin tags in fact become more in people who are pregnant, people who are obese, people who are diabetic. So they may have more skin tags. Try to correct. If you are a diabetic, try to have a better diabetic status. If you are obese, try to reduce your weight. If you are pregnant, as you deliver your baby, after that these skin tags may fall off by themselves. So self removal is generally not advised. You can leave them as such, but if you want to remove for cosmetic purposes, better visit a dermatologist. Coming to the next, warts. Warts are more rough, more thick patches on the skin, usually present over the knees, over the hands, over the feet, especially palms and soles of feet. So these are deeper lesions. These are caused by viruses. Human papilloma virus. This is the cause for warts, and these are contagious. So you have got what? Probably when you have touched a person who already has warts. So they can spread from person to person. Now how to get rid of these warts? There are again home remedies where tea tree oil or salicylic acid is tried, and where people themselves scrape or try to scrape off these warts. But anyway, since this is a viral disease, if you are not killing the virus, they may recur again in some other place. So it is better to consult the doctor in person. Cryotherapy especially, that is freezing, may be more effective because it kills the cells where these viruses are present. So thereby eliminating the infection and the further risk of warts. Both skin tag and warts don't have hair on that skin. So this is a differentiating point from the next problem, which is moles, which may have hairs, which may be pigmented, again a thicker, deeper lesion. This is because of the melanocytes present in the skin. This is a lesion which may be precancerous. I am not saying every mole is precancerous, but if a mole shows some abnormal characteristics, A, B, C, D, E, we follow this mnemonic. This A, B, C, D, E rule is used to rule out skin cancer arising from these moles. A is for asymmetry. If a mole is not symmetric, then there is a risk for cancer. B is for borders. If the borders are not regular, they are jagged, then there is a risk. C is for color. Usually the moles are brown or tan colored, brown or black colored. So if the mole has multiple colors, then it is a risk for cancer. D is for diameter. If the diameter is more than 6 millimeter in size. E is for evolving. That means if it is changing in size rapidly, then this is again a risk factor for cancer. So if your mole shows these characteristics, then you need to visit the doctor. Otherwise, moles are also not problematic. You just need to watch out for them. Moles probably are not present during birth, but they develop during the first 25 years of life. So most of us have at least 1 or 2 moles. But if they are rapidly evolving, if the bladder is not regular, then you need to visit the doctor. If the mole doesn't show such characteristics, if it is a static, if it is just of single color, it is regular, it is smooth borders, then you need not worry. You just leave it as such. There is no home remedy where you can remove such moles. You need to leave as such. Moles also can have hair growth in them. So essentially, skin tag is a non-contagious, is a soft growth arising from the skin. Possible etiology is due to friction. There is no need for removal. It is not contagious. Warts are contagious. They are deeper, they are thicker. The cause is due to human papilloma virus. Treatment is done by a dermatologist, most often by cryotherapy. Moles are deeper skin lesions. There is hair growth in them. If they show any abnormal characteristics, they are precancerous, they are of concern. Otherwise, again, they need not be meddled with. Removal is not usually warranted. Hopefully, this would have cleared your doubts regarding moles, tags and warts. If you find this video useful, share it among your friends and relatives. If you want to see such videos, subscribe to this channel. Till we meet again, bye.